What's going on, people? It's your boy Kream Developments and welcome to another episode of Kream Access as we take you behind the scenes with this gorgeous Ferrari 488. It's coming to have our exclusive carbon undersill kit, but on this car in particular we're going to be doing a couple of other things as well that we haven't done before, which is the two vents that you see on either side, which only come on the 488 models, will be in carbon fibre. And also on both passenger and driver side windows there are these plastic panels that go right directly behind it. We're going to be taking them off the car and moulding them to make them in carbon fibre as well, so that will be another added extra which I believe isn't available from any other manufacturer out there, so we'll be the first to be doing those. And overall it will be another awesome 488 with our exclusive carbon fibre undersill kit with these added new extra parts. So hope you guys enjoy the build as much as we enjoy building it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and on to the next one. Okay, so first things first, this is going to remove the inner wheel arch liner. That will allow him access to all the bolts for the intercooler to remove that, and then he can get access to the air guides, which are on the rear quarters on all the 488 GTBs. Because this car is not only having our 488 full carbon undersill kit, we're actually going to be providing this particular car with the air guides as well in carbon, and we're also replacing these, which are the pillar covers that sit behind the driver's and passenger side window glass. These will be in carbon fibre. So these will be the new added carbon fibre pieces to our full Edition Kream carbon fibre program for the 488. Once he's done removing that, the last piece we have to remove will be the top panel there, which our spoiler will be sitting on. This will be the first car to have that panel in carbon fibre also. So that will bring the entire kit to around 23 pieces. And I think will be the first full complete carbon fibre package that you can actually buy for the 488 exclusively from one place like us only. I'm basically marking out where the spoiler is going to sit on the 488, but this is a 488 Spider, so we've noticed that there's a slight difference in the rear panel in the way the spoiler stands that we made for the 488 non-convertible 6. So we're having to make the alterations, hence why I'm just marking out where it goes, which is basically in exactly the same position as the other car, except on this side of the spoiler stands there's quite a big gap. There's a bit of a gap around here in how it sits against that panel there. So what we're going to have to do now is modify this and fill the gap, make it sit perfectly against the panel. You can see on the inside here as well there's a gap that needs to be filled as well, so it sits completely flush against this panel here. So we're going to remold these so we can have another set available for the Spider owners out there, whoever else may want a spoiler of ours out there, you know. So it is what it is, it's got to be done. It doesn't fit, so we're going to have to obviously make it fit, and then at least we'll have another set to be able to offer for all the clients out there that own a GTB Spider. Happy days. Hold it. Okay, so that is pretty much all of the carbon fibre prepped and ready, blacked out, ready to be lacquered for the 488 Spider. Everything is hand finished, as you can see. Everything is handmade and hand finished, which means I personally go around and QC everything. QC meaning quality control, of course. That way it lessens any chance of imperfections on any of the pieces. So when it's lacquered, it's basically more or less perfect. That's the idea. So hopefully by the time all's finished, we'll have nice carbon fibre parts ready to install tomorrow once the boiler going to flat polished and ready. I'm personally working on this project The last minute thing, I got invited by Chiro, a very good friend of mine, and over the years I've meant to be at his event over and over again, but the timing was always off. But this time, we have good reason to be there with this Ferrari that we're going to unveil, and we want to do it at his place, and hopefully make an impact with it, you know. So exciting times ahead. Okay, so that's now fitted, our carbon front splitter. The Ferrari still got the other side, and as you can see, our carbon products are adapted to fit each individual vehicle. In this case, this Ferrari is using all of the original OEM fixtures and fittings underneath the car, which basically means there's no drilling required in any of the bodywork parts of the car. It's just simply remove the factory bolts, and we replace it with our own stainless steel ones, obviously high tensile and better quality, we don't rust at all, and just replace it with those basically, and using a little bit of silicone mastic along that side there, which can easily be cut and removed if the kit needs to come off in the future, and that's it, job done. Okay, so as you can see, this is the original F1 light cover that we've taken off the car, and this is a brand new version in carbon fibre, and as you can see, just as everything else, it's hand finished. I'm going around cutting all the holes out myself, and then obviously going to have to sand them out, make them nice, and this will be prepped, finished and lacquered to look eventually like these pieces, which have been beautifully finished, prepped, lacquered, flatted and polished, and you've got that real deep glass finish and that real depth. This is what you don't generally get with carbon fibre, but you do with ours. That's the B-pillar post that goes behind the windows, and these are the brand new carbon vents that go in the rear quarter panels. Really nice, happy with how those come out. Just got to finish these off, and the spoiler stands, and that will be the car finished today, ready for the customer to collect tomorrow. Okay, so we've finally finished the carbon fibre vents, as you can see by hand. That's been lacquered and flattened and polished. It's come out really nice. My job is to now finish them off by basically fitting the fixtures and fittings that's required to get this on the car. Chris will be taking over soon. And just to give you an example of what I'm doing, these here are aluminium threaded inserts with M6 thread. And just like OEM factory, I'll be fitting them into these, just like so. Gonna hold our that one that I fitted earlier as well. And if you look at the factory version, this is one that was on the car, which as you can see has been wrapped in carbon fibre for when we took it to the Sharnbrook. But Chris has taken that out now, so obviously we can fit the new ones. And if you look, the mounting points are exactly the same inserts as well, same method as OEM, just for your peace of mind. Done to the best of our professional ability. All good, ready to go in the car now. Just got a few more bits and pieces to do. We can get the car off the ramp, give it a wash, clean about it, and back to the customer it goes. Right guys, we are officially at the Sharnbrook. I'm speechless. What an amazing, epic turnout it is. We've got supercars galore all around us, and today we're going to be doing a live unveiling of our latest build. It's a Ferrari 488 sporting our full carbon fibre package. As you can see, one we've done before on Mel's car. This one's a Spider, so it's the first one globally that we're going to be doing, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. We've got our beautiful Kream girls. Come, let me show you. Introduce you to the girls. We've got the lovely Vanessa that's going to be blowing fire today. Sam. We got Chris, my boy D over there. Mel, is Mel the owner of the Ferrari. Hi Mel. Okay, we got Tel, another one of my staff. DJ NA, he's going to be playing the tunes today. DJ NA is actually rigged up to our Audi audio car, which you're going to be catching our beautiful Vanessa putting on a fire show for everyone today. We have the amazing Ron, come over here. So this is the man behind the Ferrari 488 Spider behind me. He saw this car. Where did you see it? Supercar, Superfan? Is that where you saw it?
Superfan,
so, yeah. So he saw it on our TV show on BBC and fell in love with the kit, got in contact, and he wanted to be the first one with a Spider to have the kit. He's not seen the car at all. It's the first time he's going to be seeing it. It's the first time he's going to see it today at this show. How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Are you feeling nervous?
Yeah.
Are you confident? Are you confidently nervous?
Oh, definitely. Yeah,
good, because I am.
Yeah.
He's gonna be blown away, I'm sure, and I can't wait for you to see it. It's gonna be almost, wow, 35 minutes. Can you hold out?
Can't wait. Yeah.
It's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned, and we're gonna do this big live unveiling for you shortly. Hands down, I am the only custom car company that actually designs, builds, fabricates and manufactures all in-house under one roof and finishes to a paint standard or wrap standard, design three-piece forged wheels, tuning 1,000 horsepower engines. I do it with my own hands. Wow. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm the only shop in the whole of UK that can do all of this. I subcontract nobody. I have no partners.
Damn.
Yeah. Like, it's just us, man, and we're a small shop in Essex. I have a factory as well where all my parts are produced, and everything is handmade, hand-laid, and hand-finished. Wow. You know? Yeah. So today we had a live unveiling of the Ferrari, and that's the first Ferrari Spider convertible to have our full carbon fibre body kit. And next to it is a Ferrari that we done earlier, which was part of our Supercar Superfan TV show. so we are now at the very end of the Sharnbrook Supercar Sunday, and what an absolutely epic day and what an epic turnout. With our first real appearance as a company, Kream Developments. You can see our little lineup that we've got here. The 2 Ferraris behind, and obviously, as you know, the live reveal for the red Ferrari, the very first Spider that sports our full carbon fiber body kit. What an epic day. Customer absolutely loved it, and it was an all-round success for us. The show, what can I say? The show was absolutely amazing. The best selection of cars I've ever seen in one place. This is seriously one of the most prestigious car shows by far in the UK. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.
I feel your love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is